Greetings, it's Paula Perry from You For Us, and welcome back to Money Mondays. I'm bringing back Money Mondays back, and I'm doing my first one live because this is important. This is important. So now, for the last 2.5 years, I've been speaking about PPI, payment protection insurance, and claiming back your PPI. This month, on the 29th of August, is the deadline. No more finale. No chances of reclaiming back your PPI if you don't do it by the 29th of August. There's 24 days that you have to claim back your PPI. Now let me just give you a few things that you may have had, that you would be entitled back to your PPI, because some people don't understand it. They think, oh, my debt's been years ago, so maybe I can't claim back PPI because it's many years ago. If you even if you had something that you've been paying for the last 25 years and you completed paying for it in the last 6 years, you can still claim, right? So let me just give you a few examples. Hi Philly, hi Kay, thank you for joining me live. Let me give you just a few examples of things that you may have had that you may not be aware you can get back, right? So car finance, credit cards, store cards, mortgage, any type of finance that you've had and you were paying payment protection, you can claim back your payment protection, right? So there's loads of different banks. You got your Santander, your HSBC, Barclays, Bank of Scotland. Black Horse is a big criminal for this, yeah? So Black Horse is a big one. If you've had any finance with Black Horse, I would definitely recommend that you get onto them about your PPI. Black Horse, CE Banking, Egg Card. I don't know if Egg Card's still out there, but I had a credit card with Egg before, and I got back, I think, $4,500 from Egg Card. I can't go through all of them because they're not all coming to my head right now, but every single financial organisation you can think of, if you've had any form of finance with them, like I've mentioned before, credit card, store card, mortgage, car finance, loan, and you are paying PPI, you've got 24 days. You've had years, but now you've got 24 days to make a claim or forever hold your peace. So that's why I'm doing this video now live. Now, I've put out information about how I received mine back, and I give you a template. Now, you do have to sign up to get the template, but it's only because I don't want to be emailing everyone individually. Once you put your email address in, I give you a template. I give you the guideline of what to do. So now you might be saying, but my loans were years ago. I don't know what the number is. I don't know what the contract number is. I don't know. What I suggest you do right now is sign up to a credit report, whether that's is it called Equifax, or Experian. Those are the two main ones. There are a number of other smaller organizations, or newer organizations, should I say, but those are the two main ones. Sign up to them. If you've never had it before, it's free for the first 6 months. If you have had it before, you might have to pay for your report, but it's not going to be more than £6-7. Now, once you sign up for the report, you will have every single finance listed that you've had, and then you'll be able to identify, okay, I had something with Santander. It will give you your agreement number, and then you can go directly to that organization and say, I believe I'm making a claim back from my PPI because I believe I was missold it. Reason for missolding, I was told that I wouldn't get the finance if I didn't have PPI, for example. There's a number of different reasons, yeah? So don't delay, 24 days now. So don't delay. If you've had any form of credit, any form, anything that you applied for to receive money for that you didn't have in the first place, like I said, credit card, store card, loan, car finance, mortgage, all these things are up for you to receive back your PPI, your payment protection insurance that you were paying. And if you're not sure if you was paying payment PPI, no harm in still claiming, because you may have been, and they can only say no, right? And if they don't say no and they say yes, you are entitled to it, you might be missing out on thousands, not hundreds, thousands. So I'm putting it out there. I'm pleading with you. Do not leave money on the table that belongs to you. If your finance is still outstanding, what potentially could have happened also is that they just clear whatever outstanding debt you've got and then give you the change if there's any change. So you could potentially be making yourself debt free also. So I'm going to leave that there. In my bio, in the blue link, there is a link for PPI, a payment protection link there. Click on that, sign up. I provide you with a template that you can use. Some banks ask for £1 for each claim. Like, I know when I done it with Santander, they requested that I send a check in for £1 for each file I was claiming on. So some organisations do request a fee for them to dig out the old information, but that's cool. Some organisations, you just need to call up and they will just deal with it. I done that recently with American Express. All I done was made a phone call and stated that I wanted to do a claim for PPI. They took all my information over the phone, and within a couple of weeks I received a letter back saying yes, I'm entitled back to PPI, and I will receive my check in a few weeks, right? I don't know about you, but leaving grands on the table, like myself, I've claimed back PPI a few years ago and I received back £8,500. Now, I only done it because someone I knew was actually received back their payment. I thought, what, really? I know you, like, what, this real? So I done it myself. So I know we get these calls, we get these letters, you get texts, oh, PPI, and you think, oh, I'm tired of these things, but it's real. And right now you've got 24 days left, and it's been agreed by the FCA, the Financial Conduct Authority. The 29th of August is the final date that you have to be able to claim any PPI you may have had previously, and we can be going back 20 years here. Can you imagine 20 years of PPI? And plus, listen to this, they don't only have to pay you back your PPI, they also have to give you back interest on the years that you were paying the PPI also. I think it's 8% on top of what you would be owed. So that's a lot of money on the table that belongs to you. It's not free. It's your money being returned back to you because you shouldn't have been paying for it, right? So I thought I'd do Money Mondays live today because it's imperative right now. You've all got a short, limited time. Again, there's in the blue link in my bio. Click it. I give you all the information. I give you a template and a guideline also. So until next time, thank you for watching Money Mondays. And if you do come back and watch it on the replay, thank you for joining on the replay. So take care. Bye.